Biotic factors play major role in every ecosystem. Odom scientists classified two types of symbiosis. The two types of symbiosis are positive symbiosis or negative symbiosis. Positive symbiosis, negative symbiosis. Positive symbiosis is also called positive interaction. Negative symbiosis is also called negative interaction. In positive interaction, mutualism, commensalism are present. Mutualism, commensalism are present. In negative interaction or in negative symbiosis, parasitism, saprophytism, amensalism, predation, and competitions are present. See children, we know first what is mean of symbiosis. Two living organisms are benefited by each other, called symbiosis. Sometimes two living organisms are benefited by each other, called positive symbiosis. Sometimes from these two living organisms, only one living organism is benefited, another one is harmed, called negative symbiosis. Remind children, it is the symbiosis two types. Positive symbiosis or positive interaction means in every ecosystem, the two living organisms are benefited by each other, called positive symbiosis. Another type of symbiosis is called negative symbiosis. In this negative symbiosis, from these two living organisms, only one living organism is benefited, another one is compulsory harmed. Another one is compulsory harmed, called negative symbiosis or negative interaction. So first we discussed about the positive interaction in that mutualism and commensalism. Mutualism and commensalism. Mutualism means the two living organisms are benefited by each other. Two living organisms benefited by each other. They compulsory benefited by each other. Two living organisms are benefited in the mutualism. It belongs to positive interaction. So mutualism again divided into three types: zoophily, zoochory, myrmecophily. Zoophily, zoochory, myrmecophily. Zoophily mean pollinated insects. The pollinated insects are participated in the zoophily. See children, on the total universe, all flowering plants containing nectary glands on the ovary. Nectary glands on the ovary. Insects need nectary. Insects need nectary and flowers need pollination. Insect is one living organism. Flower is one living organism. Flower means plant. Flower plant is one living organism. So these two living organisms are benefited by each other. How to benefit it? Insect collected nectary from the flower. Insect are benefited. And during the collecting of nectary, pollen grains are deposited on the stigma by the insects. Pollen grains are deposited on the stigma by the insects, called pollination. So two living organisms are benefited. Insects need nectary, the nectary collected from the flower. At the same time, flower need pollination, the pollination done by the insects, called zoophily. And the next one is zoochory. Zoochory means seed distribution by the living organisms. Seed distribution by the living organisms or living animals. See, seeds are present on the fruits. Inside the fruits, seeds present inside the fruits. Fruits developed on the plant. Plant is a one living organism. So another living organism is animal. Animal cannot prepare their own food. The food collected from the plants as a fruits. The food collected from the plants as a food. The collected food or fruits are collected as a food. They are eaten by the animals, and the seeds are enter into the animal digestive system. Animal digestive system. So here it is, animals are benefited by the eating of fruits from the plants. At the same time, plants also benefited by the seed distribution. Plants need seed distribution. Plants cannot move from one place to another place, but the seeds are moved by the wind, moved by the animals. How to move by the animals? Animals are fruits. Animals are collected fruits from the plants, including fruits. Seeds are edible. Seeds are enter into the digestive system of the animal, and after some time the animal moves from one place to another place, and it released excreta on the earth surface. It released excreta on the earth surface. In excreta, animal released seeds also. Plant seeds also released in the excreta. Later some days, the seeds are germinated. They develop into new generation of plants. So here also two living organisms are benefited. Animals benefited by the eating fruits. Plants benefited by the spreading of seeds or distribution of seeds. So this is mechanism done by the Jew Chori. Done by the Jew Chori. And the next mutualism is myrmecophily. Myrmecophily means mainly in Mimosaceae family. Especially Mimosaceae family, one special plant is Acacia arabica. Acacia arabica plant containing spines. The spines are shows hollow space to inside. The spines are having hollow space to inside. It is the one plant structure. And animals means here it is insects. Insects need shelter for the living. Insects need shelter for the living. The shelter given by these spines. Spines means plants. Shelter given by the plants to the insects means insects are benefited. At the same time, plants are protected by the insects. If any animal touch to the plant, or if any other living organism touch to the plant, automatically insects are attack on the living organism. So here also two living organisms are benefited. Insects are benefited by the shelter of plant, and at the same time plants are protected by the insects. See, from the zoophily, zoochori, myrmecophily. In these three types, mutualism is present. Mutualism. What is mean of mutualism? Two living organisms are benefited by each other, called mutualism. It belongs to which year it is? Positive symbiosis, positive interaction. And the second positive interaction is commensalism. Commensalism, it not belongs to mutualism, but it belongs to positive symbiosis. Positive symbiosis. Commensalism means only one living organism is benefited, but another one is not harmed. One living organism is benefited, but another one is not harmed. Example, epiphytic plants and lions. Epiphytic plants and lions. Epiphytic plant, best epiphytic plant is Vanda. Vanda plant act as a or developed as a epiphytic plant. It develops on the other plant surface. It develops on the other plant surface. Other plant surface means plant needed shelter for the development of plant, epiphytic plant. But another plant is not harmed by the epiphytes. Another plant is not harmed by the epiphytes. For example, another example here it is lions. Lions are climbing plants. They didn't have any tendrils. They have weak shoot system. They are easily moves to upward direction with any support. Without any support, they cannot move to upside because they have weak shoot system. So if any support is there, automatically they are surrounded around the support and they move to upside. So lions are benefited, but the supporting plant is not harmed. Supporting plant is not harmed. Supporting pot is not harmed. Here also, supporting plant is not harmed, but epiphytic plant is benefited. Here, lions are benefited, but supporting plants are not harmed. So this type of positive symbiosis is called commensalism. Commensalism. The next one is the negative symbiosis or negative interaction. Negative symbiosis or negative interaction. In the negative interaction, see children already explained to you, between two living organisms, the symbiosis will occurs. From the two living organism, only one living organism is benefited, another one is compulsory harmed. Another one is compulsory harmed is called negative symbiosis. In this negative symbiosis, parasitism, saprophytism, amensalism, predation, competition. Predation, competition. See here it is parasitism. Best example, parasites. Parasite, best example, white rust disease. White rust disease caused by albago. White rust disease caused by albago. The albago fungi is completely parasitic position on the Brassicaceae family. So on the Brassicaceae family, the fungi is developed as a parasite. The fungi is developed as a parasite, but the Brassicaceae plant are harmed by the fungi. Brassicaceae plants are harmed by the fungi, and fungi benefited from the Brassicaceae plants. So automatically Brassicaceae plants are infected with disease. Infected with disease means it to fall harmful. On these Brassicaceae plants, white rust, albago, white rust fungi is well developed. Means fungi is benefited, plants are harmed. This type of situation is called parasitism. Saprophytism. Saprophytism means it is also belongs to fungi. Fungi develops on the any living organisms. It released enzymes on the surface of the animals or surface of the living organisms. By these enzymes, the animal surface or animal parts are damaged. Animal damage means the animals, one living organism is damaged, one living organism is harmed by the fungi. At the same time, the fungi collected liquid food material from the living organism. From the living organism, mean fungi is benefited in this, another living organism compulsory harmed. This type of negative symbiosis is called saprophytism. Amensalism. Amensalism means antibiosis. Antibiosis is also called amensalism. Antibiosis means, see, some plants produced allelopathy chemicals. Allelochemicals. Best example, Tagetes plants. The Tagetes plants are produced allelochemicals. If any insects landing on these plants, of any microorganisms landing on these plants, by these allelochemicals, automatically the insects are damaged. Insects are damaged and the plants are protected by the self. The plants are protected by the self by the chemicals, allelochemicals. This type of mechanism is called amensalism. antibiosis. And the predation. Predation means one living organism, one animal eaten by other animals for food. One animal eaten by other animal for food is called predation. Is called predation. So one living organism is compulsory harmed. One living organism is compulsory benefited in this predation. Competition. Competition for food, competition for water, competition for soil, competition for nutrients. For example, we cultivate different types of plants. We spread the, we supplies the water, supplies the nutrients to the plants. Which plants are in healthy conditions, they are first absorb the minerals, absorb the water from the soil. So competition present between two plants or three plants or more plants. From this more plant which is in healthy condition, they are first collect the nutrients, water. But weak plants are not absorbed water, not absorbed nutrients. So automatically the plants are lost their life. This type of negative symbiosis is called competition. So children, it is two types of competitions. One is positive, negative symbiosis. See, it is important